Hello and welcome to Introduction to JavaScript on Codecademy. This is String Concatenation. Operators aren't just for numbers. When a plus operator is used on two strings, it appends the right string to the left string. Console.log, we have hi, and we append ya. It's going to print hiya. Console.log here, whoa and ah is whoa. Console.log, I love to code, print I love to code. So basically it combines two strings together. And if you add the space, then it will add the space. If you don't, then it's just going to put them all together. This process of appending one string to another is called concatenation. Notice in the third example, we had to make sure to include a space at the end of the first string. The computer will join the strings exactly. So we needed to make sure to include the space we wanted between the two strings. Here we have our console log front space. We have that space there. We have that space. Now here it's backspace, and we added the space here. No space with no space, and it shows you what they're going to be putting out. Makes sense. Middle, and then you have the space there, and then you say space. That'll be middle space. So just like with regular math, we could combine or chain our operations to get a final result. So we could do 1, 2, 3, and they will print just like that. Our instructions say inside a console.log statement, concatenate the two strings hello and world. Note, you should concatenate the two strings exactly without introducing any additional characters. Okay, so we do have hello world here, and it looks like they didn't ask for any spaces. It's going to be weird, but let's try it. We have hello, and then outside of this, we would say plus, and then world. So that should literally print hello world, right? Let me zoom out just a bit. We would expect something like that. Let's see if we pass this. And it did print it out all together. We left off the space last time. Create a second console log statement in which you concatenate the strings hello and world, but this time make sure to also include a space between the two words. So here we would go right under it, and we would do console.log, and we would do hello, and then plus, and then we'll do the space, and then a plus, and then we'll say world. All right, let's see what this does now. Run that, and there it is, hello world. When we did pass that, we added the space between the two words. And I mean, the main thing to really take from this is that we can use the addition operator and use it to append strings. And it will take the whatever's on the right and append it to this thing on the left. And it is space sensitive. So if there is no space, it's going to put it all together like it happened on the first line. On the second line, we tell it, hey, we want a space. And this space here, you can actually do it different ways, right? You can have it like this, and then inside of the hello, add the space, and that still gives us the space. We could take it off here and add it over here, and then it should still do the same. But again, if you don't have that there, that's when it puts it all together, and that's what we don't want. So it's really up to you, as long as you understand the concept that we're using here, which is appending strings together. And if you get it, then you're getting this lesson. And if not, I'd just go over this again and make sure to check out the cheat sheet for more helpful hints. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next lesson.